These fake videos of these unboxings amaze me every single time. So this right here is a fake video of a fake unboxing of the iPhone Fold. This is not real. This is like someone put together a fake video, which still crazy to me because when you look at this, it looks really legitimate, like someone's unboxing, but they're not. So this obviously is based on the renders and the mock-ups and stuff like that. And oh man, I still don't love that camera notch. I'll be honest with you, especially with it going vertical. It is the weirdest freaking thing in the world. But yeah, this is a concept unboxing of the iPhone Fold, which is supposed to come out this year, which I don't believe. I think it's still going to come out sometime next year, but it's supposed to come out this year. It looks, I'm just going to be straight up, it looks like a Google Pixel 1. It's a Google Pixel Fold 1. That's exactly what this is. It is a carbon copy of a Pixel Fold 1 that someone made into an iPhone. You add an Apple logo, you slap a weird camera system up here, and that's pretty much that. Like, hold up. I'm pulling up a Pixel Fold 1. Like, what are we doing? I'm sorry, but like, if Apple does this, it wouldn't shock me because this is Apple we're talking about. And I'm trying to see if we have one. Okay, so this is, I guess, the best image we're gonna get of a Pixel Fold 1. This is what it looks like. This is almost a carbon copy of this. I mean, yes, you have a little bit more of a gap, I guess, like in the middle here. But, I mean, that thing is literally a Google Pixel Fold 1. That's all it is. Which, okay. For what it is, man, I mean, I guess that's cool. You know, it's going to cost like $2,300. So, I don't know if I personally... First off, look at the side here. I know this is AI. I know this is not real. But just imagine how thick. Like, okay, hold up. This is an iPhone 15? 15. iPhone 15, okay? This is the side profile of an iPhone 15, okay? But, you know, it's thick. It's not that crazy. It's pretty reasonable. That right there is 1.5 times this. There is no way in the big 2026 Apple's coming out with something that thick. If this comes out, whenever it comes out, it's going to be a lot thinner than that. Wait, my webcam pointing that. There's no way it would be that thick. That thing is massively, insanely thick for no reason. But we'll see, I guess, in the end. Holy moly, look at that bad boy. First off, I don't know why, but I always, when I see stuff like this, I think in jerry-rig everything. And I think about how he would bend this. Dude, that would bend so easily. That would take probably less than, like, just going like this. Like, I could go like this with the iPhone here. Nothing, right? Doing that exact pressure on that looks like it would bend it and break it within seconds. There is no way it's going to be that humongous of a gap in the middle. There's just no way. That's ugly. And it also just, it doesn't look like a phone. It does look like a phone. It looks like a side phone. It looks like your second phone you have, right? You have your main phone and you have this. I don't know how to explain it. It looks like a passport. And I guess that's what the Google Pixel Fold 1 was, right? It was a passport. But it's just so weird to me. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.